Right, we're back again, ready to work on our African songs. And the first song we're going to look at is SIYAHAMBA. So before we look too closely at the beginning of the song, where the Zulu words are, we'll look at the English words. Now, I know that just about all of you have sung this before, but for the sake of those who haven't, let's just quickly go through the tune. Okay, so we've got two parts, and we have the upper voices singing the top line and the lower voices singing the bottom line. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. And we're looking at bar 21 with the upbeat. So it's where you can see the English English words start. Okay. So the words are, we are marching in the light of God, we are marching in the light of God, etc. We repeat that. And then at the top of the next page, we are marching, ooh, we are marching in the light of God, we are marching, ooh, we are marching in the light of God. So I'm just going to sing through the first part there, and if you know it, sing along with me. That's the idea. So I will give you your note and count you in, and then you can hear how it goes. Okay, so this is your starting note. There it is, and we've got a jump of a 6, so it's a bit higher than what we've been doing. We are march. Okay, it goes like that. So 1, 2, 3. We are marching in the light of God. 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 We are marching. Ooh, we are marching in the light of God. We are marching. Ooh, we are marching in the light of God. Right, that's what happens the first time we sing those words, because at that point we go back to the beginning, because you can see there's a first time bar, and that's going to take us back to the beginning where we sing everything again, all the way through, starting with the Zulu words, then the English words, and then at the second time bar there's a coda. So we'll talk about that in a minute. So let's have a look at the second part of the second voice part there. So it's pretty much the same, but there's a harmony by the time you get to the bottom of that the first around bar 25. Yeah, bar 25 you've got a harmony. Okay, which again I'm sure you all know, but we'll sing it through together and have a listen if you're not sure of the notes, because it is a while since we've sung this one. Okay, so there you go. 1, 2, 3. We are marching in the light of God. 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 We are marching, marching, we are marching. We are marching in the light of God. We are marching, marching, we are marching. Ooh, we are marching in the light of God. Right, did you remember all of that from before? So everything will be on the website for you to download as well, but certainly go back and repeat that if you're not sure. I had to really think about it, actually, not having sung it for a while. So that's your tune. Okay, that's your tune, because that's exactly the same tune when we sing it with the Zulu words. Okay, so let's look at the Zulu words now. So you're going to go back to the first page, and let me just speak through the words for you quickly. SIYAHAMBA. So the H-A-M, hum, think of humming. SIYAHAMBA. So si, like you see, ya, hamba. SIYAHAMBA. Kukanyeni. Kukanyeni. But the N and the Y are together, so nya, nya. So kukanyeni. Kukanyeni kwen kos. Oh, again, an O sound, not an A. So if we say that together, SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. Okay, and let's say it again. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. Okay, so that gets repeated again and again and again, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm looking at the second part. No, you don't have anything. You repeat some of the kwenkoses. Okay, but we'll get to that in a minute. But other than that, those are your words. Repeat, 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 repeat. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. Okay, so if you remember the tune, okay, because we've sung it already with the English words, tune's exactly the same. Now we just have to fit the Zulu words into it. So have a listen, and I'll sing part 1, and I will stop at the end of the Zulu word. So I'll stop on bar 20. Okay? Okay, this is the first part. There's your note. 1, 2, 3. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. Okay, there it is. I want you to be aware when you're singing, obviously, both English and Zulu words, we do have that syncopated rhythm. So especially when we come in, if you look on bar 6, SIYAHAMBA, ba-da-da-ba. It's kind of just coming in between the beat there. Okay, so it's meant to be quite punchy, and when we're singing on bar 13, SIYAHAMBA, ba-ba, yeah. So nice and strong there. Okay, let's have a look at the second part. Exactly what you were doing before, but just in Zulu this time. Okay, so what happens here is we're all singing together, and then we split on bar 7. Okay. Well, that's where the music has been split for you. Okay, so because on the next couple of bars we have the harmony. So singing exactly the same all the way from the top. Okay. Second part. There's your note. 1, 2, 3. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA, hamba, SIYAHAMBA, ooh. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. SIYAHAMBA, hamba, SIYAHAMBA, ooh. SIYAHAMBA kukanyeni kwenkos. So you've got quite a lot of words to wrap your lips around, second part, okay? So when you have your kwenyeni kwenkos, okay, so be aware that you've got that repeated little section there to fit your harmony in. Okay, so what I'd like us to do now is I'm going to play the backing track, and we'll just try and sing the whole thing through. But first we have to do the coda. So if you look at the very, very end, so once you've done the whole thing through twice, we get to the second time bar, and you've just sung We Are Marching in the Light of God at bar 35, okay? And then you go straight to the second time bar, and we have a split. So when we split 3 ways, okay? So the upper voices will stay on the top line, but the lower voices split into 2. So let's look at the coda for the top part, and you've just sung Marching in the Light of God, and then we go into the coda, Marching in the Light of God. Ooh. Okay, and you can see it's a little ooh, a little slidey note that comes in just before that D. Da-da, ooh. Okay, so that's how you finish off. Right, let's have a look now at sort of lower altos and tenors, because you are going to sing the top note in the bottom part, okay, in the coda. So the tenors and the men will have sung "We Are Marching in the Light of God" in the second part, and then if lower altos want to join in, they can. Okay, I'm not sure it really matters that much, but you know, it's there if you want it. But basically, you're going down onto the E. We've just sung this. We are marching in the light of God, marching in the light of God. Ooh. And there's your little slidey bit there. Da at the end. So let's just go over your part again. There's your note. Marching in the light of God. Ooh. Okay, so that's the tenors and any second altos who want to join in for that part. And then the men are going to sing the lowest bit. So men, you're going to be singing God, march, so, do. Okay, so if we go back to bar 35, we are marching in the light of God, marching in the light of God. Ooh. Okay, so let's just have a go at singing this through all together, and I will put the backing track on and just have a go. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'll sing the first time through, I'll sing with the first part, and the second time through I'll sing with the second part. Okay, and when we get to the end, I will sing with the lowest part. How about that? Everyone gets a toe, but it'll be fine. Right. One, two, three. SIYAHAMBA ku kan yani kwekos. 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 SIYAHAMBA. SIYAHAMBA ku kan yani kwekos. SIYAHAMBA. Okay, I forgot to sing the men's part at the end, but never mind. I sang the tennis part. Never mind, I'm not doing all that again. Right, so that's SIYAHAMBA. You've got it now, so you can sing along and have a practice and see how you get on with that. Okay, great. Let's have a look at Sholela next.